Hey guys, hope the DX is flowing in well at this time of the year. Like I say, I don't spend as much time in the radio room because I'm busy with one of my other hobbies, which is gardening. And Wendy's into gardening too. If it wasn't for her, this garden wouldn't look like this. Yeah. Mrs. leave for Arizona tomorrow. Yes, Sedona. Lucky bum. Yeah, she's leaving for Sedona and Mesa. So anyway, everything's looking pretty good here, pretty green here on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Safe to say spring has sprung in this part of Canada. And go look, the bird of paradise has 2 flower spikes on it. I'm pretty happy with that. And everything else is looking pretty darn jungly here. So you hear all the birds. Absolutely beauty. And only March 2nd, so maybe I'll go into the radio room and if I have a little bit of time today and we'll listen for you out there. Thanks for watching, guys, and tuning in to Jungle Joe C Video Gates.